Hello everyone, here's Evita. Good afternoon. It's very early in the afternoon and it's a beautiful Saturday. A little bit windy, not too hot, and it's just a good day to do some light maintenance here in the front garden. So if you'd like, please join me and enjoy the video. So I'm done doing the light maintenance here in the front garden. And there are other blooms again compared to the last time I showed you the front garden. So I'd like to show you what is in bloom. This one is the Eden Rose Climber that I really pruned hard to fit the obelisk there 2 years ago, I think. And it is now full of flowers, and there are also a lot of flowering buds. There are a lot of bellflowers in white, the tall variety. This is another variety. It's also bellflower, and I sowed some seeds many years ago, and they keep coming back. This is a self-seeded one, and I'm glad it's white. It really fits here. I also have some purples and pinks some other place. And this is the other variety. I think this one was labeled as a Aspirea, but I'm not really sure, so I have to check on this one. The label says it was Aspirea when I bought it. I have to deadhead this one, but there are more buds coming up. All the plants that are in the pots, except for the petunias, and of course the strawberries in the bigger pots, I started from seeds in March. So these are zinnias, some cosmos, some calendulas, and sunflowers. Two gray pots here that used to contain my lemon verbena that died, and I sowed some lemongrass in one, and they germinated, guys, so I'll have lemongrass this year. And I sowed some savory in this other pot. There are a few that germinated already, one or two I think, but maybe it will take a while. And I already harvested some strawberries. They're quite small because I just transferred them in spring. But they are really, really sweet, guys. Very sweet. The first zinnia bloom. So we will have a lot of grapes again this year. We also have quite a few figs, but not as many as last year. And we also have a lot of kiwi again this year. Not in front, but on the terrace, the west side. As you can see, I trained a branch going up there on the terrace, so I can give some shade to my macrophylla in the corner. And it's full of blossoms. I had some rest gladiolos and yellow alliums, so I put them in pots over here. And there's another sunflower and calendula in the corner. I will be positioning these pots in between the plants in my yellow colored palette. These are my stalks. And there's another pot with the flamenco zinnia. And these are some pots that stay outside over the winter, and it contains some succulents. I will eventually transfer those 2 gray pots in my herb garden as soon as they grow a little bit bigger. And then I would like to put something in the middle, maybe a container, a ceramic container, to put some water for the birds, or a white chair. I don't know yet, but something. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now. Have a nice day.